Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Coughing 3 times could simply be a reaction to a transient irritant in the airways, but if it happens repeatedly, it might indicate a mild respiratory issue or an allergic response. Stay hydrated and avoid irritants like smoke. If persistent, seek medical advice.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.